So the comparative between the last year and this year during this COVID pandemic, after analyzing, we have found out that there is a dip in the crime committed against various heads, which I will name it in a major crime heads and minor crime heads, and both major and minor has decreased drastically when compared to two pandemics, that is last year and this year. Basically, when we consider the all crime heads last year, from March till August, we have a total of around 104 cases reported. But when we compare to this year, that is from May to June, where the pandemic starts this year, it's reported 28 cases. Then regarding crime against property during this pandemic, last year it was reported around 25 to 27, but this year we have 5 reported cases. Then regarding heinous crimes like murder, rape, we can attribute it to nil so far. Then regarding crime against women and children, last year it was double figure, but this year we still have a single figure which is still under 5.